commodity prices, specifically gold, have been at these elevated levels. And a popular name that the people like to use on equities to kind of follow the price of gold is your pick of the week, Eldorado Gold, ticker symbol EGO. So, what are you seeing in that, and why do you like it?
I want to trade Eldorado Gold as one of my premium trades. So they already reported their earnings. They're in and out. And they were one of the stocks, by the way, that earnings didn't really change its stock price very much. But I'm seeing support at $16 SIP. I'm seeing resistance at 18.25. Let me put one of my indicators on. I'm going to use this confirming indicator MACD. And I want to show everybody how I like to set it up. I like to set it up on volume weighted average price, and that's very unique. And that's why you should go download this free indicator if you haven't already, because it gives you the option in the MACD calculation to choose different types of seed prices. And I'm a big fan of choosing the volume weighted average price. Also, I've set up this MACD and in this indicator to be what we call the fast MACD settings. And just to review those, 6 for the fast length, exponential type, 19 for the slow length, exponential type, 3 for the average length, exponential type. So you plug that into your indicator you've downloaded and you make sure you turn that thing on. So let me go ahead and turn it on so people can see the arrows. There we go. And so you can see we got this beautiful top signal with follow through. And so that would have been a great top, but we haven't yet got our bottom signal. But when we do get that bottom signal, I'm talking about buying the stock, or if you use, again, get yourself access to our web portal. That's where you download those free indicators, but also you can see the new options lookup tool that we've been talking about. You can get kind of a demo of it. And so if we put in our Eldorado Gold, and I'm going to set my strikes to all because I'm going to find a good substitute. And one of the things that um, one of the things, and you can see I didn't in that write up that you just posted. I still have some of my past notes. I forgot to update them. Um, but that's no problem. We're going to do it live right now. So when you want to find a good substitute for doing a long, not a long term, but a medium to long term, one of the things we do is we go about 8 months out in time. So I'm going to look at these April options. And then we're thinking about substituting it in the bullish direction. So we're looking for a call. And basically, you're going to go deep enough in the money that the extrinsic value is around 5%. And we want to make sure that the bid ask spread is tight. So you can see here, this one at 5%, that bid ask spread is too far apart. I mean, $3.20 all the way up to $6.80. That's too far apart. That means that there's not enough liquidity. So we start to compromise, right? Now you get to the next one at the $13 strike price. Yeah, it's higher in its extrinsic value. In fact, it's considerably higher. It's about 3 times higher at 15%. But now you can see that the bid ask spread is really close, $4.34. That means that there's people trading it, and that's what you want. So I would say instead of buying Ego stock, but it's at a good price, you could buy the stock, but you could also, instead of buying the stock, which is trading around $16.75 right now, you could also buy this $13 call and get it for about a third of the price, right? That thing's only going for even a fourth of the price, $4.40. You'd have some leverage in there. It would be cheaper to get in, and then you'd be set, right? So the idea here is buy it low, whether you buy, EGO stock or you buy that what expiration date did I say? I said the April option. You buy that April $13 call, and then you allow that thing to appreciate. And then once it tops, like it did a few weeks ago, that's when you sell your premium, buy your protection, and you wind up creating this income trade out of it. And I love those trades that are going to be giving me income month in and month out. double digit incomes, 10, 15%, I wouldn't doubt that this stock could produce that for us.